Hello, fellow two-legged humans. It is I, totally real human Akita. Or I mean Ryan. If you are watching this tutorial, then congrats. You have completed your first task. Today we will learn how to buy Algorand on Coinbase, create a MyAlgo wallet, send funds to your wallet, and finally swap Algo for Akita Inu ASA. This video is geared towards total beginners and is a little lengthy. Feel free to pause or skip ahead as you see fit. Anywho, let's get right into it, shall we? First things first, we will want to jump over to Coinbase.com. Here we have the Coinbase homepage. If you don't have an account, you can sign up here. You will be asked to enter some of your personal information and link a form of payment for buying your cryptocurrency. This process might take some time as there is a short verification process. But once that is completed, you can sign into your account by clicking up here. Here you can sign in with your login information. Go ahead and sign in with your email and fill out your password. Upon logging in, it will bring you to this page. Now you are at your Coinbase dashboard. Here it will display your portfolio and break down your assets. The nice thing about Coinbase is that they try to keep things simple and clean for you. Let's click the buy/sell button. Once it pops up, you will have to choose what you want to buy and what payment method you want to do. We will want to buy Algorand. Click on the drop-down menu and search for Algo. Once you have that selected, you will then decide how much you wish to buy. For this example, we will do $100. You can click these arrows to get an idea of how much Algo you will receive. You will then confirm how you want to pay and proceed by clicking the Preview Buy button. This will break down the cost and show any included fees. Did I say fleas? I meant to say fees. These fees vary depending on the USD value of the trade. Here you will see a $2.99 fee. As you can see, this trade is happening in real time. The price of crypto is always changing, so make sure you are investing wisely. Once you have checked everything and made sure everything looks good, click away. Watch the magic happen before your eyes as your hard-earned fiat is transformed into Algo. Nice. Now that we have a stack of Algorand burning in our pocket, it's time to send it to our wallet. There are two main wallets you can use to buy Akita with. If you like to use your desktop and a browser-based wallet, MyAlgo wallet is a solid choice. If you like the freedom of having your wallet right on your phone, you will want to use the Algorand official Pira wallet. Of the two, MyAlgo wallet is more reliable and recommended if you plan on buying some NFTs in the future. I mean, have you seen those Akita Kennel Club NFTs? That Inkwell fellow sure inks well. I'm sorry, I know, I'm sorry. I deserve the cone of shame for that one. Back to the task at hand. First, we will want to go to wallet.myalgo.com. It's good practice to double check you have entered the proper link. I would also suggest bookmarking this site too. Take a moment to read over the disclaimer. Make sure to always back up your mnemonic phrase and private key. This is extremely important. If you lose this phrase, you are at risk of losing access to this wallet and whatever funds are held within. A mnemonic phrase is a 25-word phrase that will unlock your wallet from anywhere. We will go over this more in a little bit. Once you feel comfortable, check the box and click Continue. Now you will need to think of a good password. As you can see, it will need at least one number, one character, and have a minimum length of 8. You will need this password to unlock and interact with your wallet. You will want to make it something that you will remember. Once you realize how easy it is to trade and operate on Algorand, you will be using this password a lot. Now into the fun part. Here you will see several options. Since we are looking to create a new wallet, click the New Account button. Now the mnemonic phrase. You are probably wondering, why is it such a big deal? Well, you see, that 25-word phrase is the skeleton key to your wallet. If your computer crashes or your browser cache is cleared out, you will be forced to use that phrase to gain access to your wallet again. Your password won't help you then. In fact, you will need it if you ever forget your password. Now let's focus on this probably red warning message. Never share your mnemonic phrase or private keys. It is very important to keep this phrase safe. Write it down on a sheet of paper and put it someplace where you won't lose it. I have mine buried in the backyard next to the big brown stick thing. Teh, that was a joke. Only a dog would do something like that. In all seriousness, I do recommend writing it down in a notebook or someplace safe. If you save a digital copy of this, there is always the possibility of that file getting stolen. I'd avoid posting this phrase on a cloud-based service or anywhere on the internet for that matter. Sometimes the simplest way is the best way. When you are ready, click the Show All button. This will reveal your phrase. I am about to commit the cardinal sin of crypto. May our Lord and Savior, Silvio Micali, have mercy on my wallet. All just kidding. You thought I'd give away my secret phrase. And who said an old dog can't learn new tricks? I wonder how many of you are trying to steal my wallet as we speak. Leave a like below so I can sniff out all you troublemakers. Now that you have written down your phrase properly, you can check this box and click the continue. Ah yes, it looks like you have more tasks. Here you will play a fun little mini game to prove you actually wrote it down. I will be right back. This will give you a second to do your thing. Well, great job. I brought you one of my favorite bones. You know what they say, no bones, no strength. Oh, whoops, I'll be right back. Okay, nothing to talk about there. Where were we? I remember. Let's name your account. I'm just going to put MyAlgo, but you can name it whatever you'd like. And now for that password you just set up. And bam, you are now a proud owner of this beautiful wallet. Down here is where your assets will appear. Since this is a fresh wallet, you will have a balance of 0. The only thing you need from this page is your wallet address. This wallet address here is your public address, and it is safe to share with anyone. You can copy it by clicking the copy symbol. As you can see, we have our address copied and ready to go. Now we can head back to Coinbase. If your funds have cleared, you should be able to send your Algo to your new personal wallet. Start by selecting Algorand. Fill in how much you want to send out. I want to send it all to my wallet, so I will click Send All. Now you will want to paste your wallet address here. There it is. You can skip past the optional message and click Continue. Now let's verify a few things before we send it. As you can see, Algorand is pretty neat. Let's quickly double check our address, and then we will see what happens when we click Send. Okay, address looks good to me. Let's tab back and get ready to send this. You will have to complete the authenticator or confirm with your email. This will complete the Coinbase side of things. Now let's watch what Algorand can do in real time. Algorand is a carbon-negative powerhouse that can complete transactions in less than 4 seconds. The standard transaction fee is only 0.001 Algo, which is a mere fraction. What? It's done already. And I thought squirrels were fast. Well, I guess it's time for our final step. Time to buy some Akita Inu. Welcome to tinyman.org. I know he might look small, but he is pretty mighty. Let's enter the app by clicking here. Tinyman is a great place to purchase ASAs, which stands for Algorand Standard Assets. Akita Inu ASA is one of the growing amount of coins on the Algorand blockchain. In order to swap on Tinyman, we will first have to connect your wallet. Once you click here, it will ask what wallet you plan to use. We are using MyAlgo wallet today, but the Pira wallet is a good choice too. If you do have a Pira wallet, this link will generate a QR code for you to scan with the Pira wallet app. Let's use MyAlgo wallet since we just set that up. This will bring up a prompt to connect your wallet. Think of this as logging in, but using your wallet as your login info. You will have to enter your wallet password. Whoops, typing the password correctly is most definitely preferred. Here it will allow you to select which wallet you want to connect with. We only have the one at the moment, and as you can see, it has our address and balance right there. Let's select it and click on the connect. Since this is your first time interacting with Tinyman, it will ask you to opt in. This will require a quick app call that will charge a small 0.001 Algo fee. This will verify your wallet and allow you to start trading. Enter that beautiful password and sign the transaction. Now you are ready to start trading. As you can see, we are at the swap section of Tinyman. If you aren't, simply click on the swap button and you should see this screen. By default, Algorand will be in the From section. Now we want to swap that Algo to Akita Inu. Search for Akita Inu, or the ID number shown on the screen here. This will show you our beautiful pink dog. This is the correct coin. There are a lot of scammers that will try to imitate popular coins. We can double check this ID over at the Algorand Blockchain Explorer. This is a very useful tool. Every transaction is public and can be found on the blockchain. You can even search assets to verify they are the correct one. Once you input the Akita Inu ASA number, it will show you all the fine details about our coin. You can see we are verified, and there is a link to our homepage. Here you can see the ID number and the unit name. Now let's go back to tinyman and buy your first coin. Now that we have verified the name and ID number, let's select Akita Inu. Before we can buy, we will have to opt into the asset. By opting in, you are telling your wallet, hey, it's okay. This is a good coin. I will love it and care for it like a good boy. Let it be known that opting into an asset will reserve a very small amount of Algo. It might not seem like much, but as you continue to see how easy and quick it is to Algorand, you might find yourself opting into more and more assets. Next thing you know, you have over 50 different coins and over 20 NFTs tying up your precious Algo. Sorry, that was an exaggeration, for most of us at least. Moral of the story, keep some backup Algo in your wallet at all times. Alright, this is it folks. We are now opted in. We have our wallet primed and ready. You have completed all but one task. Let's head back to tinyman one last time. Click the max button. Hold on. That was a test. Of course it is important to do your research before making an investment. I just wanted to show you something real quick. As you can see, you can't spend all your Algo at once. There is that tiny amount that is reserved for your assets. Let's change this to a more reasonable amount as a test run. Down here we can see the current price ratio. We can switch back depending on your preference. I know you are excited to buy, but let me quick tell you about slippage. Slippage occurs when there are heavy volume of trading that cause the price to change rapidly. By changing this to a higher percentage, you are saying, I really want to make this trade. I don't care if the price goes up and down by this much. I really want this to go through right now. But for your standard trade, the default 0.5% will work perfectly. If your transaction fails due to slippage, you can increase this slightly or try again later. Now it's finally time. Let's buy some Akita. Click that swap. Tell yourself dime time 3 times and confirm the swap. Here your MyAlgo wallet will go over the transactions. The 0.002 Algo is to cover that sending and receiving, while the 10 Algo is what is coming out of your wallet to buy your Akita coins. You've trained for this moment. Fill out that password one last time and sign it. Your trade is being processed. It should only take about 4 seconds due to Algorand being awesome. And bam, done. If this does fail due to slippage, you can try again or can turn the slippage up a notch. There it is. Transaction complete. tinyman does his best to make the best trade possible for such a tiny dude. He's so good that there is sometimes an excess of coins left over. You can claim it now or save it for later. I'm going to claim it real fast just to show off Algo's speed. We will sign the transaction, as I'm sure you are familiar with now. As you can see, tinyman is easy to use. You can repeat this process to buy other coins as well. While we wait, let's jump back over to MyAlgo and check out our wallet. Hot doggy, there it is. Our Akita is in our wallet, and here comes the excess we just claimed. It really makes your tail wag when you see it happen in real time. Well, I guess that is it. You are now a pro at buying Algorand and swapping for Akita Inu. I thank you for taking that journey with me. I hope you have learned some valuable information today. Now that you are an official Diamond Dog, I recommend you join our Discord or find us on Reddit. We have a very thriving community and would love to add you to the pack. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a little flight to catch.